Okay, for this activity, this will be the requirement that I will need you to perform. Here, I'm still using the NeoPixel for the display and also the light sensor for the sensor that will try to provide data. So what will happen here is that whenever I adjust the slider for the light sensor from 0 to 320, the NeoPixel will eventually light up one by one. So starting from here, which is the pixel 0, up to the pixel 9, which is this one. And the changes will dramatically display. So first, from 0 up to 32, the value of 32. Okay, wait, I'll have to run the code first, and then I'll have to wait a bit so that the simulator will somehow stabilize. Okay, so here, instead of dragging the slider, I prefer to move it by using the left arrow or the right arrow. So you'll notice that when I press it once, the value is 1, and then the first pixel starts to light up, and that pixel or LED will increase in the brightness until it reaches the value of 32. So you should notice that it's increasing its value until 32, and if I try to use the left arrow, it will also eventually dim until it turns off at 0. So okay, let's try it again to increase to 32 until 32. So 32 should be the maximum value that the pixel 0 or the first pixel NeoPixel will light up. When I press now the right arrow, so I am now at the value of 33, the second pixel or pixel index 1 will now start to light up, and that should increase until the value would be 64. So 0 to 32 for the first NeoPixel, then 33 to 64 for the second NeoPixel. So I will try to increase it now using the arrow, right arrow. So you'll notice that pixel 1 or the second NeoPixel increases, and that should be true until with the maximum value at 64. So okay, you'll notice it's now it's brightening up, and if I try to left use the left arrow, it's now decreasing. So okay, so it should light up until 33, but once I'm in the 32, it will turn off. So 33 it lights up, and then okay, 64 I should move until 64. Okay, and then when I'm move to 65, the third one should start to light up. So you'll notice it, and then it will also increase until the value at the maximum value will be achieved when the light sensor value is 96. So let's try to increase it. Okay, so you should see that the third NeoPixel is now lighting up so bright. So now I am at the maximum, and once I move to 97, the fourth one should start to light up, and then I'll start to increase it until the value reaches 128. Okay, so there's an increase of value until 128. Okay, 128, that's the last value. And if I move to 129, it should light up the fifth. Okay, so the fifth LED is now lights up, and then it will increase value until the light sensor will have the value of 160. So let's go to 160. So you'll notice that it's really start increasing its brightness. I am now at 160. If I move it also next, I am now at 161, and the sixth pixel now lights up, and then it will increase until the value reaches 192. So okay, So I'll move up to 192. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, now that's the maximum. If I move to 193, it should light up the 7th pixel. Okay, you'll see it lights up, and then it will increase until the value of 224. So 224, 224. Okay, I am now at the maximum value at 224. So if I will move to 225, it should light up the 8th um, neopixel. Okay, it lights up, and this will increase until the value of becomes 256 for the light sensor. So let's go to 256, and then you'll notice that also the pixel is increasing its brightness. And okay, 256. If I move to the 257, the 9 pixel should light. Okay, then it will increase until 288. So let's move up. So okay, so that's the maximum value for the 9 pixel, and if I move to 289, it should light up the last pixel. So that will increase until the value reaches 320. So I will no longer demonstrate doing it backward or decreasing, because that should work. So so this will be the expected output. I will make a post for this activity, and I will specify the specific value for each pixel to light up.